So I'm back with another YouTube video, and I'm showing off our new houseboat that we just got. Here's my brother. He is in the sleeping cabinet. This is our bathroom.
That's sexy.
No, it's not, David. There's our cup holders. There's our little windows.
Let's come in. There's a radio.
There's our radio. There's this. There's our oven. Here's our cabinets. And here's our bed, and here's the pillows. We can also come up here, and you can see out of it. But today, I'm basically going to be singing, I love you. That's my brother, sorry. I'm going to be telling you all about it. Well, we are going to be going on a tour on my boat, and we're going to be going out on the boat this weekend, and we're going to be seeing how it works. I'm going to give you another preview of it. There's the pillows. Here's the cabinet. Here's where you can control lights. Here's the thing. Here's the life jackets. Life jackets are very important. This is this. And here's David. And here's another bed. No, gotta come up here. Right here, you can step up here and you can see a long view up here. And I can drive it. There's my Mary Granny. Thank you for going to my vid.